Once upon a time, in a faraway kingdom, there lived a beautiful princess named Isabella. Isabella was known for her enchanting long hair that cascaded down her back like a river of golden sunlight. Her luscious locks were the talk of the land, admired by all who beheld them. However, hidden within Isabella's flowing tresses was a magical secret. Deep in the forest, a mischievous sorceress named Morgana resided. Morgana was jealous of Isabella's beauty and coveted her lustrous hair for herself. Using her dark powers, she cast a spell, causing Isabella's hair to become tangled and knotted, binding her within a magical prison. As the days went by, Isabella's hair grew more tangled, causing her distress and preventing her from enjoying the freedom she once had. The people of the kingdom were saddened by the sight of their beloved princess trapped by a malevolent enchantment. Word of Isabella's plight reached the ears of a kind-hearted prince named Alexander. Determined to free Isabella from her magical prison, he embarked on a quest to seek a solution. Guided by ancient legends and the advice of wise sages, Prince Alexander ventured into the heart of the enchanted forest. On his journey, Prince Alexander encountered various challenges set by Morgana to protect her spell. He faced treacherous paths, mythical creatures, and riddles that tested his wit and courage. With each obstacle, the prince grew more determined to rescue Isabella and restore her to her former glory. As he delved deeper into the forest, Alexander discovered a hidden cave, rumored to hold the key to breaking Morgana's spell. Inside the cave, he found an ancient mirror adorned with intricate carvings. The mirror revealed a riddle that held the secret to unraveling the enchantment upon Isabella's hair. After much contemplation and deciphering the riddle's meaning, Prince Alexander discovered the solution. He realized that the true power to break the spell lay not in force or magic, but in an act of pure love and selflessness. Returning to the castle, Prince Alexander stood before Isabella, gazing into her tear-filled eyes. With utmost tenderness, he whispered words of love and admiration, promising to remain by her side no matter the obstacle. As his words filled the air, a radiant light enveloped Isabella, untangling her hair and releasing her from the sorceress's grasp. In that moment, Isabella's hair regained its magnificent beauty, shining brighter than ever before. The spell was broken, and the kingdom rejoiced as their beloved princess was freed. Isabella and Alexander's love for each other grew even stronger, their bond forged through the challenges they had faced together. They ruled the kingdom with compassion, spreading joy and kindness to all their subjects. And so, the princess with the long, magical hair and the prince with a heart of courage lived happily ever after. Their story became a legend, reminding everyone that true love and selflessness have the power to overcome even the darkest of enchantments. The end. May the tale of Princess Isabella and Prince Alexander inspire us to believe in the transformative power of love, compassion, and selflessness in our own lives.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Also click the bell icon. Thank you.